Alright, we're getting ready to do a water boil test with 5 different stoves that we have here. We have our penny stove, we have our alcohol stove, German stove, we have our Optimus, Crux stove, trioxane fuel bar, military style. So we're going to go ahead and get all these started and see if we can get all these going. Once all these get going real well, then I think this is the only one I have left to get. I've got exactly 1 cup of water in each of these. We have very similar containers in these. Let's get our penny on here if we can do this without getting burnt. Yeah. Yeah.
It's hard. It's hard.
Yeah, it's hard. Let's try something else. Ah, that'll work. Okay, here we go. We're going to get the timer started on these. I've got similar pans and all the similar thickness on bottoms. And we're going to start now. If we don't spill anything, we have our fire extinguisher here as well, just in case, because we are indoors. And our penny stove is going. Alright, now Hunter is going to hand off the phone to me, and he is going to get the temperature reader going, thermometer, laser thermometer. Again, we have our penny stove going, we have our alcohol stove going, this German, Swiss, there's about 3 or 4 different countries that utilize those. And then we have our Mac Daddy right there, that's the Optimus Crux light. And then we have our trioxane just on the concrete floor. So we're at our 1 minute and 30-second mark. So Hunter, if you want to go ahead and give us a penny reading. Now get down close to it there.
Gotta wait here.
Yeah, get down close to it. Shoot that one. Tell me what you get.
Gotta wait. Wait, it's off. There you go.
What's your temperature on that one?
It keeps on changing.
That's okay. It's going to get warmer and warmer as it goes. That's why it's changing. It's going to be warming up. Give me a number.
Will it stop?
It's not going to stop. It's going to keep going. So at our 2-minute mark, you just go on and give me a reading off of each of them quickly.
10, 9, 10. Okay, it stopped. It was
109.
like
Okay, go to the next one.
0.5.
Go to the next one quickly. We got to in the water. You got to do it in the water. Quickly.
98.
98. Okay, go to the next one. That's at our 2-minute 30 mark. I'm making notes as he does this. What is it?
118.5.
118. That's at our 2:45 mark. That one.
141.0.
141. That's at our 2:55 mark. What is it?
126.0.
126. That's our 3:06 mark. Okay, go back to the penny. Give me a reading on again, because now we're at 3:15 mark.
129.2.
129 at our 3:19 mark. Okay, the next one.
1.
Hurry.
120. 108.5.
108, that's at our 338 mark.
13.15. Wait,
Nope.
no.
133, okay. Go ahead. That's at our 350 mark.
Right.
What's that one?
144.5.
That didn't go up much, okay. That's at our 40 mark. What is it?
166.0.
166. Man, that one's cooking now. That one's going. It's at our 414 mark. We're going to wait till we get to about, and that flame, actually, I don't even have that flame of pi on this thing. That's only about half, really, fluctuating. This trioxane is really going. So far, at 4 minutes and 14 seconds, we got 166, 144, 133, 108, and 129 on the penny. Alright, we're approaching our 5-minute mark, so start back over.
This one's like 119.5.
Okay, start back over here. Start back there. What do you get on there? 5-minute mark.
148.0.
148. Okay, and that's at our 5-minute mark. Okay. Next one. Get down closer in the water. There you go. 129, 130.
129. It was like 133.5.
133, 5 minutes, 22 seconds. Okay.
That's like the same one.
Hit this one. What's that one?
157.0.
157. That's at our 5-minute and 30-second mark.
It keeps on changing.
What's that one?
160.5.
160 at our 5:44 mark. What's that one?
157.5.
Do that one again, you sure?
$126.5.
Shouldn't be getting less. What's it saying?
It keeps on changing.
Try to hold it steady there, okay?
Okay. Keeps on changing.
It does keep changing.
It's hard. Oh, it was just at like 115.0 or something.
Now let me see. Let's try this thing. Let's shoot the bottom and see what it's at. 170 on the bottom. I think it's reading through the thing. 135. We'll do 135 is what it's. Alright, take it. Go back to the start at the penny stove again. I don't know why that one's gone down. We're at 6 minute and 50-second mark. Okay. What do you got there?
177.5.
177. 177.
The next one is
That's our 7-minute mark.
that one. This one. The next one is 149.0.
149 at our 721 mark. Get down there a little closer to them. There you go. That gives you a more
It's
accurate
catching
reading.
like the smoke.
I know. So what is it?
It was 180.5.
180.5 at our 742 mark.
This one looks like it's really hot.
Alright. What's that? A little closer.
174.0.
174 at 758.
106.5.
Yeah, something's going on
Yeah.
because that should not be getting. It's 180. 180. Here you go.
First number that you get. is probably it.
88.15. We are getting super close to boiling, as you can see. We got some small bubbles there. We got some more bubbles there. We got bubbles there. Those are starting to come up there. And we're getting even some bubbles there off of our penny stove, which was virtually free other than the fuel source. So more bubbles. All right, let's do it again because we're starting to get rapid boiling. Hunter, go ahead and start off at the penny stove. What do you get?
It was like 191.0.
191 at 856. Next one.
207.
207 at 9.03.
Yeah.
What's that one? That one's definitely boiling.
177.5.
177 or 9.13.
153.5.
Nope. Get in there. Do it right in the center.
124.5.
No, something's not right. Try it again. Shoot it right in the middle of the bottom of it.
So I just stop right now?
150. Let me see.
He's on changes. See, I don't get it. Why it's doing that.
The side of the canister is 5. Yeah, that thing's really rocking. 195.
This one right here looks like it's really hot.
182. Yeah, that one is by far our best boiler. That thing is really going. Oh, our penny stove is really going. And this one here, our alcohol stove, is really going. That one's still catching up, but again, he's only on about medium heat. It's hard to control. This one is pretty much out, and that's why it was cooling down, Hunter, because I questioned you, but it got up to 180 at the 8:15 mark and went out. So we're gonna go back down here. Let's do another shoot right quick.
Which one is that?
198.
Whoa.
Let's see what our time is on that. 198 at 10:57. This one is really going.
Whoa. What just happened?
Alright, that one just ran out of alcohol. And it stopped right at our 184. It is out at 11 minutes. This one is really cooking and still going strong at 205. 1128. And he's at 192. 192 at our 1136 mark. And that one's going to be less and less. It's going down. It's at 160 right now.
Yes. What's that high off?
So it burned out. And
that one's going like crazy.
And that one, which was one of our faster ones, the alcohol, it burned out at 11:0. So we're going to make a notation of it as we go here. Burned out. That one's going strong. That one we know it'll last forever. But you know, it's not that impressive because the boils in it is very, very weak compared to these.
I think this one's like
and
the
this
hottest
penny
one.
stove is putting it out too. But again, this was on medium. I mean, I could really make that thing go a whole lot faster if I wanted.
Dad, if it's out, how is like out? How is it out? Dad, how are they out? How do you know that they're out?
Because if you look under there, there's no. That one's got a flame.
Yeah, it's got a flame.
Oh, is it still?
It's got flame.
Oh, it's still going. Let's see what it's doing. It's
still got
Oh, it's
flame.
not out. It's not even.
That's why I was talking about that. I was like.
That is strange. All right. Now that one's still going, but this one, yeah, that one's burned out. That one's down.
This one's in.
I turned that one up, and boy, she's going now.
This one's in.
But anyhow, this gives us just a very quick, crude test. That's at 194 on the penny stove. It's getting a little bit weaker, and that's it. At our 12.
It looks like it's out, but it's really not. There's only like 2 more flames up.
Alright, anyhow, So test conclusions is, if this puppy's turned up, he'll be the quickest. If he's turned up into the medium, it'll just be kind of middle of the road. This one here was super fast. This German, Swiss, El Cheapo, whatever it is. It's like a gel fluid that comes from like Cheaper Than Dirt, Sportsman's Warehouse, Sportsman's Guide, all those places. Sometimes Harbor Freight carries them. This is denatured alcohol. This is denatured alcohol. Can also be substituted with heat if you want to use heat. So anyhow, the penny stove, for being free, did remarkably well. And this one here was probably our winner today, unless I would have turned up the Crux. I left him on medium, and you saw how long it took. If you wanted to boil water for sanitary reasons, you don't want to do the trioxane because it just takes too long. And also the thickness of your canisters that you're using, as well as how close it is to the flame, that also has weighing factors in this as well. And be safe. 03 Bullseye out.